Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look and taste the Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet are 8 individually wrapped bars of Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. So the packet weighs 90 grams in weight. And taking a look at the back of the packet, there are a list of ingredients as well as nutritional information. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by peeling off this strip and sliding the clear plastic wrapper off to reveal the packet of Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. Okay, now let's go ahead and further open up the packet to reveal the 8 individually wrapped foil mini bars of salted caramel milk chocolate. So giving you a look at the packets right there. So 90 grams in weight total, so approximately 11 grams per bar right there. So giving you a close-up look at the text that's inside of that card flap. So it contains rich milk chocolate, crunch of salted toffee, and sublime smooth finish. Okay, now let's take one out from the pack. And maybe, why not just slide the entire contents out and just checking through, making sure nothing is left behind. We can set that packet on the left-hand side of the frame. And just to give you that close-up look at 2 sticks or 2 individually wrapped foil bars of the Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. And just flipping it over just to give you a look at that lovely golden foil with the Godiva branding. So it does have a slightly matte finish with the Godiva print on the foil, just to give you some idea of the size and thickness right there. Okay, and now let's unpack one. So I'm just going to actually just give you a complete look right there with my hands and fingers out of the way. Okay, so 90 grams in total, so approximately 11 grams per bar or per stick. So I'm just going to shift and readjust the positioning of these bars and take one out right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap this bar. And giving you that close-up look, so the underside of the chocolate bar, and let's flip it top side up. It's right there. A look at this mini bar of the Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. So approximately 11 grams for this one single mini bar. So giving you a close-up look right there. Okay, so I'm just going to do some slight adjustments by shifting the items around in the background so they don't interfere with the foreground, so we can focus more clearly at this mini bar of Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate with the toffee pieces inside. And now just giving you a closer up look and how it kind of responds with my touching the chocolate. So far so good. I mean, it's not melty, it's still holding its form quite nicely, and I'm not leaving any prints on it at all. So just giving you a look right there at this mini bar stick. And now let's snap it in half, if I can. It's right there, and giving you a look at that cross section. So giving you as best I can with the autofocus of the camcorder right across the cross section of this Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. Now, okay, just gonna set one side down and gonna break it down further and then give it a taste. So right here, I'm gonna snap off a smaller piece. So you can see 6 segments altogether in the mini bar. Now I'm just going to pop this piece in my mouth. So a really, really balanced texture, lots of crunch with those salted caramel or toffee pieces inside. So no lack of texture in there. Slightly firm in terms of the chocolate density. Of course, combined with the salted caramel pieces inside, provides that added firmness. So now let's pop a bigger piece, so 2 pieces here. So it's not really something you want to melt in your mouth because it still holds its shape pretty nicely in one's mouth. So you really have to kind of chew down on it to get all that flavor out. So nice and sweet with plenty of crunchy texture. So I'm going to pop this final, or perhaps just one more piece in there. So nice and crunchy. I'm not sure if you can hear that crunchiness through the camcorder's microphone, but there we have it. So that's the Godiva signature salted caramel milk chocolate. Thanks for watching and happy eating.